yagya. From evening, you will start doing the yagya. Okay, so in your same groups, a group of 4, and so you go through. Yesterday we went through the entire yagya. We explained what is what, how, why. Now you'll see practical how doing the yagya, and then from today evening we'll start. So then morning, evening, we'll be having yagyas. Okay.
Daily setups are going to be. So when you set up for yagya, this is how the setup should look. Okay.
So just explain what is what, where.
So here we have our kalasha, the empty kalasha where we're going to install, and inside here we have the water that we're going to pour into the kalasha because we're doing the gata stapana. So that's why we need a separate kalasha for that. So we have ganta, our ghee pot, dhan under the ghee pot for the mandala, akshata, lamp with fire, and another lamp to offer prachar.
Have you already installed that before?
No.
No, nothing.
First you keep and then install.
Yes.
Good Mahalakshmi Yava.
Then you will have Achman cup, 2 Achman cups. One is Vishesha Argya, one is Samanya Argya. So Vishesha Argya is the one that you only use for the Lord and for Agni. And then Visarjana Patra.
Kusha.
Kusha, the one Pradesha? No, one
No.
Hasta.
One hasta.
One Hasta long Kusha bunch is over there. And then we need at least 4, 1 Pradesha long Kusha grass. So, but you can make extra in case if you lose 2. So, it's not a problem. And then our yagya spoons, Shruk Shruva, Hasta Spiya, and Purokshani. Bunch of 10 tulsi twigs and bunch of 21 tulsi twigs. Cotton, banana, and flowers, and chandan. Abhikshana Patra.
In Abhishana, what are things you have put?
In Abhikshana Patra, we put akshata, chandan, and flowers.
For as of now.
Yeah, as of now.
As of now. Whatever you get, auspicious item. Yesterday Prabhuji explained.
So there is a list. You check Abhikshana Patra.
Barley, betel nut, camphor, chandan, haritaki, saffron, white rice, and whole turmeric.
Shorsha also. Mustard.
And tulsi.
Tulsi.
No, it's
The last page, right?
And Navratna and all the Ashtadhatu?
No, that does not go in. That can go inside your kalasha. Not in your.
Mustard seed, na yellow only for puja. For cooking, the black one.
And for the kalasha water, you can put camphor and you can put flowers.
Already put.
Yes.
very good.
You purify water first or? No, everything going to do.
He is going to purify. He purified everything already, but in the class also we will show showing you purify.
Yes.
So we can do Gange Chaivana Chaiva in our Ashma cup, and we can pour water in wherever there is water.
Is it with Samanya Argya or
Yes.
Samanya.
Vishesh
Vishesh Argya do for DDs when you're doing puja.
in that pot?
That Ganga Chaimna.
Yeah, Ganga Chaimna.
That water,
Yes.
you added in Vishesh Argya, that's what it is.
Yes.
No.
did it before.
Okay. After this, then you sit, folded pranam mudra, and you thinking about your spiritual master, and you chant all this. Everything Prabhu is doing now, all that we are doing every day, the whole group has to do together. Shri Guru Paramananda Premananda Palaprada Vidananda Pradananda Sevayama Jaya Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Atma Shuddhi and Bhuta Shuddhi. Om Naham Vipro na Chananapatir Napi Vaishyo na Shudro Naham Varni na Charihapatir no Vanasto Yatirva Hindu Prodhyam Nikila Paramananda Purna Pritabdhe Gopi Vardu Palakamalyo Dasa Dasa Anudasaha Divyam Shri Hari Mandiradya Tilakam Kantham Sumalanvitam Vaksha Shri Harinama Varda Suvagam Shri Khandaliptam Punaha Utam Sukshmam Navambaram Vimalatam Nityam Vahantim Tanum ध्याये श्री गुरुपाद पद्म निकटे सेवोत्सुकम चात्मनः. Okay, after this Kara Shuddhi, you apply a little chandan to your hands. And then Pushpa Shuddhi. Om Pushpe Pushpe Mahapushpe Supushpe Pushpa Sambhave Pushpe Chayama Kirne Cha Vat Swaha. Then you purify all the drum, everything you have, you purify once again. Drum. Yes.
You don't do the whole Manas Puja?
After this, the Manas Puja is going to start after this, right after this.
Just one point in here. Sometimes we have seen devotees when they do arati. So prokshana is you take an ashwan spoon and you put the water on the incense, on the lamp. That's actually not prokshana. That's just making it wet. The prokshana is, this mudra is the prokshana. So it's important to take the water in hand and splash. By doing that, that's not prokshana. But it has become such a widely...
They do it 3 times.
Yeah.
Okay, after this it's Manasa Puja. Generally everybody should do it when you're actually doing yajna in your own mind. It's your own personal prayers. But for the time being every day, I missed Ganta Puja. But anyways, let me finish. For the time being every day when you're doing, you should for a few days do it together. So you know the mantras and you're doing it and everybody is getting it right. Afterwards, when you become more proficient, then everybody should do it as their own sadhana. Okay? So, yes.
In the DT room, we do Manas Puja with the photo. Here we go without the photo.
Yes, Prabhu.
Without the
See,
photo.
Manasa is in the mind. The photograph is there just to help you meditate.
Yes.
DT room we do like that.
No, I'm saying the
Our
picture.
practice, Prabhu. Actually, it's supposed to be like this.
Okay.
But for our, practice, we have to have it like that.
Okay.
The seeing the form of the Lord is easier to meditate.
Okay. Ganta Puja now. Offer Upachar. Ete Ganda Pushpe Om Jayadhvani Mantra Mata Swaha. Om Sarvavadyamayi Gante Deva Devasya Vallabhe Tvam Vinaneva Sarvesham Shubham Bhavati Shobhane. Okay. So, Manas Puja. Om Prata Shriman Navadvipe Dvinetram Dvibhujam Gurum Varabhayapradam Shantam Smaret Tannama Purvakam Idamasanam Om Guruve Namaha. All this stuff then generally, yes. You generally do it inside your mind and you might, we also used to do with the Achman cup and offer. You might be doing it, but the idea is we used to do it in the sense that so that the boys can actually focus. But you should do mentally and offer all these things. You don't have to do the Achman Upachara, because you should in your mind do asanam, swagatam, swagatam, etat padyam, and as elaborate as you can in your own mind. So there is no need to do the Achman spoon and take the water and offer in the Visarjana Patra. Just fold your hands, and once you know these mantras, then from the beginning of Manasa Puja till the end of it, you just sitting straight, folded hands and chanting the mantras, offering the upacharas and continuing. Yes.
Also, those who have Upanayanam, for you the Bija mantra is Om.
Yes.
Others, they have their Bijas. And so for Guru, Gauranga, Radha, Krishna, you have your own Bijas. It will be, because we're chanting it out loud, we'll be just doing it as Om.
Okay. Idamasanam Om Gurave Namaha Swagatam Suswagatam Om Gurave Namaha Etat Padyam Om Gurave Namaha Idam Margyam Om Gurave Namaha Idam Achmaniyam Om Gurave Namaha Esha Madhuparka Om Gurave Namaha Idam Punarachmaniyam Om Gurave Namaha Idam Staniyam Om Gurave Namaha Idam Vastram Om Gurave Namaha Imani Avarnani Om Gurave Namaha Esha Gandha Om Gurave Namaha Etani Pushpani Om Gurave Namaha Esha Deepaha Om Gurave Namaha Esha Dhupaha Om Gurave Namaha Idam Naivedyam Om Gurave Namaha Idam Sarvam Om Gurave Namaha. I just did the Deepa and Dhupa other way around. It was my mistake, yeah. No, you should do it Dhupa and Deepa. It was my mistake. Then after that, you offer prayers to Guru. Tom Gopika Vrasharaves Pranayanti Kesi Sevadhikarani Guru Nijapad Padme Dasyam Pradaya Gurumam Rajakanane Shri Radhangri Sevanarase Sukhidim Sukhamdao Om Adhyanatimidandasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Vanchakalpatarubhyasya kripa sindhubhya eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Then Gauranga Puja, this mantra also you'll have to learn. It's a big mantra. Om Svardunyasharutire Spuritamati Brihad Kurma Prishthabagatram Ramya Ramavritam Sanmadikanaka Mahasatma Sandaif Paritam Nityam Praityalayodyat Pranaya Bharalasat Krishna Sankirtanadyam Shri Vrindatavya Vinnam Trijagat Anupamam Shri Navadvipamide.
1 minute.
Yes.
That's the dhyan for Navadvip. Right? So we are talking about when we did Manasa Puja for Gurudev. It says Prata Shriman Navadvipe. Right? So we are meditating that Guru Maharaj is sitting in Navadvipa. And we are doing the puja. Then before Gauranga Dhyan, again we are doing Navadvip Dhyan. So we are meditating on Navadvip because Mahaprabhu is living there. So then Mahaprabhu Gauranga Dhyan. Then we'll have Vrindavan Dhyan and then meditating on Manasa Puja of Radha Krishna in Vrindavan. So this was the Navadvip Dhyan.
Yes. The idea is you should then try to visualize your Guru Maharaj or Gauranga in Navadvip. So you're worshipping them there. Then Gauranga Dhyan. Shriman Mautika Dhama Padda Chikuram Susmera Chandrananam Shri Khanda Guru Charu Chitra Vasanam Shakdivya Bhusham Chitam Nrityavesharasanamoda Maduram Kandarpa Veshojvalam Shaichanyam Gandhyam Nijadanai Samsepyamanam Bhare. And please go through the meanings also. It's important that you know the meanings when you're doing the Manasa Puja. Otherwise it just becomes aupcharik. Then Shorashupchar Puja for Sri Gauranga. Idamasanam Om Gauraya Namaha Swagatam Susagatam Om Gauraya Namaha Etat Padyam Om Gauraya Namaha Idam Margyam Om Gauraya Namaha Idam Achmaniyam Om Gauraya Namaha Esha Madhuparka Om Gauraya Namaha Idam Punarachmaniyam Om Gauraya Namaha Idam Staniyam Om Gauraya Namaha Idam Vastram Om Gauraya Namaha Imani Avarnani Om Gauraya Namaha Esha Gandha Om Gauraya Namaha Etani Pushpani Om Gauraya Namaha Esha Dhupa Om Gauraya Namaha Esha Deepa Om Gauraya Namaha Idam Naivedyam Om Gauraya Namaha Idam Sarvam Om Gauraya Namaha. Then Gauranga Gayatri, Gayatri for the devotees they have.
Those who don't have, don't worry.
Yes. Then Gauranga Stuti. ओम आनंदलीलामय विग्रहाय हेमावदिव्य छविसुंदराय तस्मै महाप्रेम रसप्रदाय चैतन्यचंद्राय नमो नमस्ते। अनर्पितचरिं चीरात् करुणयावतीर्णात् कलौ समर्पयितुमुन्नतोज्ज्वलसां स्वभक्तिश्रियां हरिपुरुषसुन्दरद्युतिकदम्बसन्दीपितः सदा हृदयकन्दरे स्फुरतु वा सच्चिदानन्दः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। After that, then Vrindavan Dhyan, you're chanting this mantra. ओम ततो वृंदावनं ध्यायेत् परमानंदवर्धनं कालिंदी जलकल्लोल संगे मारुत सेवितं नाना पुष्पलताबद्ध वृक्षसंडैश्च मंडितं रत्नतोरण गोपुर माणिक्य छादनान्वितं कोटिसूर्यसमाभासं विमुक्तं शतरंगकैः तन्मध्ये रत्नखचितं स्वर्णसिंहासनं महत्। Then Shri Radha Krishna Dhyan. जयतां सुरतौ पंगोर्मम मंदमतेर्गति मत्सर्वस्व पदाम्बोजौ राधा मदन मोहनौ दिव्यवृन्दारण्यकल्पद्रुमाद श्रीमद्रत्नागार सिंहासनस्थौ श्रीमद्राधाशीलगोविन्ददेवौ प्रेष्ठालिभिः सेव्यमानौ स्मरामि। श्रीमान् रासरसारम्भी वंशी वटतरस्थितः कर्षन् वेणुस्वनेर्गोपी गोपीनाथ श्रीयस्तुनः। श्रीकृष्णं श्रीघनश्यामं पूर्णानन्दकलेवरं द्विभुजं सर्वदेवेशं राधालिङ्गात् अविग्रहं। Then षोडशोपचार puja for Shri Shri Radha Krishna. इदमासनम ओम राधा कृष्णाभ्याम नमः स्वागतम स्वागतम ओम राधा कृष्णाभ्याम नमः एतत्पादे ओम राधा कृष्णाभ्याम नमः इदमार्ग्यम ओम राधा कृष्णाभ्याम नमः इदमाचमनीय ओम राधा कृष्णाभ्याम नमः एष मधुपर्क ओम राधा कृष्णाभ्याम नमः इदम पुनराचमनीय ओम राधा कृष्णाभ्याम नमः इदम स्नानीय ओम राधा कृष्णाभ्याम नमः इदम वस्त्रम ओम राधा कृष्णाभ्याम नमः एतानि पुष्प एष गन्ध ओम राधा कृष्णाभ्याम नमः इमानि आभरणानि ओम राधा कृष्णाभ्याम नमः एष गन्ध ओम राधा कृष्णाभ्याम नमः एतानि पुष्पाणि ओम राधा कृष्णाभ्याम नमः एष धूप ओम राधा कृष्णाभ्याम नमः एष दीप ओम राधा कृष्णाभ्याम नमः इदं नैवेद्यम ओम राधा कृष्णाभ्याम नमः इदं सर्वं ओम राधा कृष्णाभ्याम नमः। Then devotees with Gopal and Kama Gayatri, you should chant Gopal and Kama
It
Gayatri.
is written here, stream clean.
Yeah, so you chant Shrim Klim when you're doing it.
Yeah. He's Upanayana. That's why
Yeah,
he's chanting
I'll
like
open
that.
and also if you're doing it out loud, then you do Om.
Yeah. See, these bija aksharas, these bija mantras are sacred mantras, not to be chanted out openly. So Krishna says no, and the sound is pranava. So then that's why we chant that out. And other ones, with Manasa Puja, we wouldn't say any of this out loud.
Yes.
Not that you cannot, the Manasa Puja mantras, you can. Just the Bija mantras is
Stay soft. Then He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dina Bandhu Jagatpate Gopesh Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastude Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanusute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye. And there is these two mantras, Padya Panchaka and Vignati Panchaka. You chant those after that. We'll do it. Try, see if you can follow with the book. Om Samsara Sagaranath Putra Mitra Vihanganat Goptaro me Yuvameva Prapanna Vayavanjano Yoham Mamasti Yatkinchit Iha Loke Paratracha Tat Sarvam Bhavato Deva Charaneshu Samarpitam Ahamapya Paradhanam Malayastakta Sadhanaha Agatishya Tathonato Bhavanto me Paragatihi Tapasmiradhikanatha Karmana Manasagira Krishna Kante Gravevasmi Yuvameva Gatirmama शरणं वां प्रपन्नोऽस्मि करुणानिकराकरो प्रसादं कुरु दास्यं भो मयि दुष्टे पराधिने मत्समो नास्ति पापात्मा नापराधे च कश्चन परिहारे विलज्जा मे किम्ब्रुवे पुरुषोत्तम युवतीनां यथा यूनि यूनां च यतो यथा मनो विरमते तद्वन्मनो विरमतां त्वयि भूमौ स्खलितपादानां भूमिरेवावलम्बनं परिजातपराधानं त्वमेव शरणं प्रभो राधे वृंदावनाधीशे करुणामृतवाहिनी कृपया निज पादाब्जं दास्यं माह्यं प्रदीयताम् गोविंद वल्लभे राधे प्रार्थयित्वामहं सदा त्वदीयमिति जानातु गोविन्दो मां त्वया सह राधे वृंदावनाधीशे करुणामृतवाहिनी कृपया निज पादाब्जं दास्यं माह्यं प्रदीयताम्. After that, then you actually start doing the Stapana Vidhi.
Just 1 minute.
Yes.
This entire Manasa Puja is actually given by Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. That's the puja how he used to do. And that was his Bahya Puja also. Harinam Chintamani. No, Bhajana Rahasya. Bhajana Rahasya, he, at the end of Bhajana Rahasya, he gives his how to do short puja for Grihasthas. You know, he's a Grihastha. He doesn't have that much time to do an elaborate puja. So this was his home worship standard. And the Padya Panchakam, Vijnapati Panchakam, he added there as the stuti done for the Lord. So this entire vidhi is from Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur.
How many minutes you should take?
It's up to you.
Since we're sitting with the Vidhi is there,
Yes.
so how much time we need to finish?
It can take you 6, 7 minutes, 10 minutes, or it can take you 15, 20. Yeah. No, for a few days you should do it together, each group, just so everybody knows. Because you know, some of you know the shlokas, some of the shlokas, not all the shlokas. You should use the book and do it together. And afterwards, then after let's say.
For exam, you have to do it out loud, so it could be tested.
Yeah, you can't just sit in the examination.
Unfortunately, we are not on the level of Paramatma to understand.
You only thought we were
People were sitting with light, so we are just doing Manas Puja. So
Yeah. See, one thing is, Prabhu, we have added this as part of the yajna. It's actually not part of the yajna. The reason it's done because when you're doing the yajna, you should be 100% Krishna conscious. You know, so similarly, when you before you do the puja, you do Manasa Puja. Why? Because then you are 100% Krishna conscious. Not that Manasa Puja has to be done inside the altar. You can be sitting in your room, you know, you've done your Achman, you've done your Manasa Puja, then you go outside, chant your japa, go to the temple and do, you know, immediately start with your Bahya Puja. That is also possible. But unfortunately, us conditioned living entities, on the way from the room to the temple, you can get distracted. So therefore it is said, you sit there, you do your Manasa Puja, you're focused, not much distraction because now the Lord is there in front of you for you to do. So therefore, with the yajna also same, it's part of puja, therefore do your Manasa Puja and then you can, you know, like for pujaris, those who are having, they come for doing offerings and arati. How many of them actually sit and do Manasa Puja before doing the arati? Hardly anyone. Only those who are interested, right? But why? Because, you know, we can say, okay, they have done it already one time in the morning, so it's okay. You know, you do it. So if you're doing some yajna like that, you know, in front of public, even if you have done it at home, your Manasa Puja, technically speaking, you can continue straight with the yajna. If not, you just sit there, do the Manasa Puja, and then, you know, you do. Takes 5-6 minutes. Once you get used to it, 5-6 minutes, the whole thing is done.
Yeah, and if you want to engage if there's a devotee actually sitting watching the yajna, you can chant the shlokas out loud and do the upacharas in your mind.
Yeah.
Okay, let us start. Or actually, okay, so after that, then you will install the Yagyavara in the Yagya spoons and Mahalakshmi in where the ghee pot will go. Okay, that's you know the installation process. Probably will do it now again.
You make them into petals. It might not be enough.
Yeah, for that.
Huh?
Dhan is, it's better to use dhan. If you don't have, then you use akshata.
Akshata is a substitute for everything. Just like water is substitute for everything. That's why we use, you know, water for doing all our upachara. You can also use akshata for doing all your upacharas. You can also use flowers for doing all your upacharas. So in case when the dhan is not there, then you can make akshata and you can use.
So this thing will be in mind.
Huh?
This thing will be in mind. Yeah.
Yes. See, that's happening between you and the Lord. So it doesn't need to be out loud. But if you want, people are around, you want to engage them, you can also do that. Then people are like, oh, something is happening. If there is nothing happening, you are keeping quiet, you're just doing in the manasa, people don't feel connected. So then they start looking at their phones, they start, talking with each other. So things like that.
You can do the whole installation process out loud. Like
Yeah.
I've seen Mishai does the Vastu Homas and stuff, then you do it out loud.
Yes.
All the installation, everything. Otherwise in Gurukul or if you are in your home, you need the Homa, then you do it in your mind, you do it softly.
Except Manasa Puja, everything can be chanted loudly.
Yes.
Sharpen the spear.
Speak out loud, please.
We'll sharpen the spear because we will be drawing mandala now from Mahalakshmi.
For those who have Upanayanam, they will write Om as the Bija. For those who have second initiation, you will write Shrim as the Bija.
Yes.
Because Upanayanam means you only got Brahma Gayatri. So the only Bija mantra you have is Om. Right? So therefore you use Om everywhere. Whereas for second initiates, the Bija mantra you got is Klim. So therefore you can use that. Now Shrim is something that our Guru Maharaj has allowed us to use. That's why we are using Shrim Klim. Not that Shrim is our Aradhana mantra. Klim is.
Then you do Mahalakshmi Avahana in that yantra that you have just drawn.
Say it out loud. So
Yasani dehi yasani dehi yasani dasvaya samukava samukava ihasakale kuru. Om Bhur Gyanai Hide Namah Om Bhavashvara Shesha Swaham Swasatya Ishkai Vasaram Tatsvaitur Vani Nabadai Kavachai Om Bhargadeva Siddhi Vani Nitrabham Tejase Vasat Devana Prasarya Gyastaya Om Mahalakshmi Yamriti Kuru Yaha Parame Kuru Eta Ganda Pushpe Om Mahalakshmi Namaha.
Then you do Ghata Stapana.
see, somebody was asking, are we supposed to put the ghee patra on before drawing the Mahalakshmi? It's not necessary. It just was kept over there because otherwise what happens? People tend to drop it. Right? So that is the place for it. You put it there, you take it down, you draw the mandala, installation done, puja done, put it back. Yeah, you can. Or, you just wait for all the installations and everything is done just before you're supposed to start. Then you can put it also. But just, your always thought is protection of all your paraphernalia and all the deities and everybody installed. Right now he's trying to melt the ghee. So therefore he's not putting it back. Because otherwise it's not melting. So therefore he kept it there. It is, more timing until worshipping the Kalasha. And then it can be done.
And the space constraint, we are keeping the ghee pot above the Sri Yantra?
No.
It
It's
has
supposed
be,
to go.
It has to be
Yes.
So
Mahalakshmi, see, you're approaching Yajna Narayana, right? Yajna Narayana is there, you're approaching through his wife. Just like Hare before Krishna. So, therefore, Mahalakshmi is there. through Mahalakshmi you are approaching Narayana. So that's one aspect over there. Therefore, she is there, he is here, you're taking the things, the ghee from there, offering it to him. Because anyway, all the offerings that are there is Mahalakshmi. That is going to be offered to Sriman Narayan. So therefore, the ghee is kept on the Shri Mandala.
While drawing this mandala, no need to hold kusha at the
No. You can, but no need.
Okay, so Ghata Sthapana, while touching the earth, one should say, Om Bhurasi Bhumirasya Ditirase Vishwadhaya Vishwasya Bhuvanasya Dhatri Prithivim Yachcha Prithivim Drikmaha Prithivim Mahimsihi. Then placing the rice paddy on. Om Dhanyamasi Dinuhi Devan Pranayatva Dhanayatva Vyanayatva Drighama Prasidim Mayushedham Devo Vasavita Hiranyapanihi Patigribnatvachidrena Panina Chakshushetva Mahinam Payosi.
That's one point. There are either you can place it the dhan like this in a tray, or you can actually pour the dhan on the ground,
Yes.
like we did yesterday. Today he's just putting it like this on a tray. Both of them is acceptable. Now the plus point in putting in a tray is that it's easy to clean at the end, and it looks more beautiful. It's there on a tray, then dhan on top, and kalasha on top.
Stable.
It looks,
Stable.
Yeah, it's more stable. It's more beautiful.
Yes.
But you can also pour straight dhan on the floor also.
And we can keep it back and we can reuse also.
No,
No, done we cannot reuse.
nothing.
You cannot move also.
Huh?
You cannot move.
Kalasha sthapana, generally sthapana means is fixed. Let's say you want to use the entire set tomorrow for your puja, that you can. But then you will not be able to do the entire Kalasha sthapana. Touching the ground, touching the, all those kind of things.
Yes. Okay, then placing the pot on the rice paddy, one should say, Om Ajigra Kalasham Mahyatva Vishantva Indvaha Punarurja Nivartasva Sahana Sahastram Dukshvo Ruddhara Payaswati Punarmavi Shatadraihi. Then pouring water in the pot, one should say, Om Varunasyottambha Namasi Varunasya Skambasarjanistho Varunasya Ritsadanyasi Varunasya Ritsadanamasi Varunasya Ritsadanamasida. Then one should place 5 leaves on the pot saying. So this time you put the leaves, all the other ingredients you want, you can, or you can have all the ingredients already in the water in the other kalasha, and then that when you're putting the water they all go in. Okay. Om Ashvatevo Nishadanam Parnevo Vasati Krita Gobhaja Iti Kilastha Yas Sanatva Purusham. Then one should place the coconut on top, or banana. It can be coconut or 2 bananas on top, saying Om Yah Falani Rya Fala Apushpa Yascha Pushpinihi Brihaspati Prasuta Sthano Munchantva Agam Hasaha.
This one, this coconut generally has 2 eyes.
Yes.
That 2 eyes to be shown or to be kept close always.
The eyes can be shown, but the shikha has to be there. So even if it is covered with the shikha, that is fine. Eyes is not important, shikha is.
The reason, if you try to get the eyes out, the shikha is very thin, and if you even push it a little bit, it just comes off.
Yeah.
So that's why we don't go
So
farther.
better to have a senior devotee than a new bhakta.
Then one should place flowers on the kalasha, saying Om Rishchate Lakshmishcha Patnyo Ahoratre Parshve Nakshatrani Rupam Ashvinau Vyattam Ishtam Manishana Amum Manishana Sarvam Manishana.
Just one more point. Sometimes you may see tilak drawn on the kalash, on the coconut, or when the Shaktas they do, even the Sri Vaishnavas when they do, they put turmeric
Haldi.
and a kumkuma dot. So we generally don't do the haldi and kumkum. We can put tilak. So all those things can be done. We also do, like for the adhivas ceremonies, what we do, of course, the stringing of the pot is there, the cloth on top is there, but together also we put ornaments. some mala or something like that. It looks more beautiful, plus because the Lord has installed his ornamented. That can also be done.
Okay, so from after that, then you start the avahanas and you invite Varun Dev and the whole Satyuga Vriddhi Shabda. So, go ahead. There's literally just. Yeah, that's it. That we do.
Just do it, do it.
Om Varunadevaya Ihagaccha Ihagaccha Tishtaya Tishtaya Sanidehi Asanidehi Asanirdasvaya Asanirdasvaya Iha Samukavaya Samukava Iha Sakali Kuru. Om Burgyanaya Hriday Rabam Bhavaya Shari Shirishe Swaha Om Swasatyaya Shikaya Vasat Om Tatsavitur Varenyam Balaya Kavachaya Hum Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Netravyam Tejase Vausat Dhyayana Pachorya Adviraspraya Pat Om Varunadevaya Iha Mriti Kuru Iha Parame Kuru Edaganda Pushpe Om Varunadevaya Namaha.
Then you go to Satyuga Vriddhi Shabda.
Sampradaya Sarve Acharya.
Om.
So we have all done this, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's do it together.
Yes.
Okay?
Om Sarve Sampradaya Acharyaha Iha Gaccha Yadishta Yasannidehi Yasannidehi Yasanniruddhasva Yasanniruddhasva Yasammukava Yasammukava Iha Sakali Guru. You'll all do your Gayatri. He will do his own.
So you also do, all of you
Yeah.
install.
Okay.
Start practicing, all of you install. Klim Hridayaya Namaha, Krishnaya Shri Swaha, Govindaya Shikaya Varsha, Gopinaya Kapachaya Hum, Vallabhaya Netrabhyam Vaushad, Swaha Astraya Shat. Om Sarva Sampradaya Acharyaha Iha Mriti Guru, Iha Parame Guru, Edaganda Pushpe. Om Gurave Namaha, Om Iskam Pradakshata Acharyaya Namaha, Om Namo Gurave Namaha, Om Paravara Gurave Namaha, Om Mahagurave Namaha, Om Parameshri Gurave Namaha, Om Sarvebhyo Mahantagurubhyo Namaha, Om Sarvebhyo Mahabhagvatebhyo Namaha, Om Sarvebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namaha. Okay, second set, who remembers? Shvaksenadi Pancha Mahabhagavataha. Everybody, let's do it together. Let's be loud and clear.
Yes.
Om Vishvaksenadi Pancha Mahabhagavataha.
Iha Gaccha Yadishta Yasannidehi Yasannidehi Yasanniruddhasva Yasanniruddhasva Yasammukava Yasammukava Iha Sakali Guru.
Klim Hridayaya Namaha, Krishnaya Shirase Swaha,
Govinda
Shikaya Vashad, Govinda Kavachaya Hum, Vallabhaya Netrabhyam Vaushad, Swaha Astraya Pad. Om Vishvaksenadi Pancha Mahabhagavataha, Iha Mriti Guru, Iha Parame Guru.
Edaganda Pushpe Om Vishvaksenaya Namaha, Om Sanakaya Namaha, Om Sanatanaya Namaha, Om Sanatanaaya Namaha, Om Sanantanaya Namaha. Navayogendradi Avahan. Om Kavayadi Navayogendraha Iha Gaccha Yadishta Yadishta Yasannidehi Yasannidehi Yasanniruddhasva Yasanniruddhasva Yasammukava Yasammukava Yasakali Guru. Chant.
Om Burgyanaya Hriday Namaha, Om Bhavaya Shari Shirishe Swaha, Om Swasatyaya Shikaya Vasat, Om Tatsavitur Varenyam Balaya Kavachaya Hum,
Om Vallabhaya Netravyam Vaushad,
Om Kavayadi Navayogendraha Yamriti Guru Iha Parame Guru. Ekaganda Pushpe Om Kavaye Namaha, Om Kavaye Namaha, Om Antarikshaya Namaha, Om Prabuddhaya Namaha, Om Kripalayanaaya Namaha, Om Avirodraya Namaha, Om Trivilaya Namaha, Om Jamasaya Namaha, Om Karavajaya Namaha.
Dikpala Vahan. दिक्पालावहन ओम नारदानि सर्वदिक्पालाः इहागच्छ यतिष्ठ यस्निदेहि यसन्मुखो भव इह सकलीकुरु
क्लीं हृदयाय नमः कृष्णाय शिरसे स्वाहा गोविन्दाय शिखाय गोपीचनकवचाय वल्लभाय नेत्राभ्यां औषध स्वाहा अस्त्राय फट ॐ नारदानि सर्वपालाः इहामृति गुरु इह परमे गुरु एते गन्धपुष्पे ॐ नारदाय नमः ॐ कपिलाय नमः ॐ महाभागाय नमः ॐ दीपदेवाय नमः ॐ सदेवाय नमः ॐ गणकाय नमः ॐ सदाशिवाय नमः ॐ प्रहलादाय नमः ॐ ब्रह्मणे नमः ॐ बलिराजाय नमः। भक्ति शक्ति आवाहन ओम पूर्णमास्यानि भक्ति शक्त्याः यागच्छ यतिष्ठ यस्निदेहि यसन्मुखो भव इह सकलीकुरु कृष्णाय शिरसे स्वाहा गोविन्दाय शिखाय गोपीजनकवचाय नेत्राभ्यां औषध स्वाहा अस्त्राय फट ॐ पूर्णमास्यादि भक्तिशक्त्याः इहामृति गुरु इह परमे गुरु
Parame. So we're doing this. Want to spread it out as much as you can. Like a spider, yeah. Not like an eagle. Yeah? Want to get it a spider.
Make the hand.
Which finger has
No,
to be up and
Prabhu,
That doesn't matter.
Prabhu,
When we write,
it is straight like this or like this?
no, spread out and try to stretch your fingers as much as you can.
But see, this is straight and this is little.
Well, this is how I can do it.
Okay.
I can't make it more straight than this.
No.
So yeah, it is as spread as you can.
एते गन्धपुष्पे ओम पूर्णमास्यै नमः ओम पद्मायै नमः ओम पद्मरङ्गायै नमः ओम गङ्गायै नमः ओम यमुनायै नमः ओम चन्द्रावत्यै नमः ओम गायत्र्यै नमः ओम तुलस्यै नमः ओम सरस्वत्यै नमः ओम पवित्र्यै नमः ओम वैष्णव्यै नमः ओम कामे नमः ओम यशोदायै नमः ओम देवहूत्यै नमः ओम देवज्ञै नमः ओम रोहिण्यै नमः ओम सीतायै नमः ओम द्रौपद्यै नमः ओम कुन्त्यै नमः ओम रुक्मिण्यै नमः। गोपाल गणः आवाहन ओम श्री रामादि सर्वे गोपाल गणाः इहागच्छ यतिष्ठ यस्निदेहि यसन्निरुद्धस्व यसन्मुखो भव इह सकलीकुरु
क्लीं हृदयाय नमः कृष्णाय शिरसे स्वाहा गोविन्दाय शिखाय
गोपीजनकवचाय वल्लभाय नेत्राभ्यां औषध स्वाहा अस्त्राय फट ओम श्रीदामादि सर्वे गोपालगणाः इहामृति गुरु इह परमे गुरु एते गन्धपुष्पे ओम श्रीदाम्ने नमः ओम सुदाम्ने नमः ओम स्तोमकृष्णाय नमः ओम लवंगाय नमः ओम अर्जुनाय नमः ओम वसुदाम्ने नमः ओम विशालाय नमः ओम कमलाय नमः ओम श्रीरामाय नमः ओम श्रीकृष्णाय नमः। सख्या आवाहन ओम ललितादि सर्वे सख्याः इहागच्छ यतिष्ठ यस्निदेहि यसन्मुखो भव इह सकलीकुरु।
We actually sequence is changed, I think.
क्लीं हृदयाय नमः
कृष्णाय शिरसे स्वाहा गोविन्दाय शिखाय भूषट गोपीजनकवचाय होम वल्लभाय नेत्राभ्यां भूषट
स्वाहा अस्त्राय फट
ओम ललितादि
ओम ललितादि सर्वे सख्याः इहामृति गुरु इह परमे गुरु एते गन्धपुष्पे ओम ललितायै नमः ओम
I'm not sure who, but somebody is saying Sudevaya. Vaya, ya ending is for male. For females, it's yai. So Sudevyai, Rangadevyai, Indulekhayai. Yeah. So you have to, huh?
Subhadraya.
Yeah, Subhadrayai. Huh? Shyamala is another Sakhi who was, she was one of the prominent Sakhis who had her own team. But after the Maharaj and seeing Radharani's love for Krishna, she left her team and became a servant to Srimati Radharani. She is not part of the Ashta Sakhis, but she is one of the very important and very dear Sakhis to Srimati Radharani. So therefore Gopal Bhatta Goswami gives her name in there.
She is the servant of Krishna.
Radharani. They're all Radharani's. See, until Maharaj, the Sharad Ras we hear in Srimad Bhagavatam, she was one of the Naika, one of the leaders, separate from Srimati Radharani. Right? You have so many other leaders, some of them are favorable to Radharani, some are neutral, and some are against Srimati Radharani's team. So she was one of the opposite parties. She was not Radharani's party. Right? So when she saw Radharani's love towards Krishna, she said, "This is nothing. My love is nothing in comparison to what is."
In the time of Rasalila,
Yes, when Krishna left. So then she decided to give her entire team. She just said, "I'm no more a Naika." She gave her that. She gave up her team as a leader, and she became a servant to Srimati Radharani. So that she is Shyamala.
In the book, the numbering has been changed. Gopala Gana should be 6 and what's it called? Sakhi should be 7.
Gopala Gana 6 is 6.
Yeah. It's,
The serial number, no?
serial number is
Last
wrong.
two being
Read it
stored.
like this.
Yes. Mahaprasad and Himalaya, can you do?
No.
So after that, Mahaprasad and Himalayadikam, we just offer Akshata. Idam Mahaprasad and Himalayadikam, Om Gurave Namaha, Om Sarvebhyo Mahant Gurubhyo Namaha, Om Sarvebhyo Mahabhagvatebhyo Namaha, Om Sarve Vaishnavebhyo Namaha.
We are using Akshata as a substitute for Pushpa.
Yeah, for Mahaprasad.
We can use
If you have dry fruit as Mahaprasadam or sweets as Mahaprasadam, then you can offer that.
You just bring in a plate and you offer that forward.
But then you have to be careful that your Mahaprasadam should not touch any of the other ingredients. One, and you have to wash your hands and like that. So you have to be aware of that. It sometimes gets difficult. So therefore, on a safer zone, then we keep akshata. You can offer that, or you can also offer flowers. Well, if you are confident about bringing Mahaprasadam in, great, you can do that also.
Okay, so after this is Abhikshana Patra Stapana. It's you either have it ready like this before, or then you just take water from the main kalasha, put it in one smaller kalasha, and put all the ingredients and put it on the side over there. The water inside should be purified before. Then Panchareka Stapana. Now just rather than me explaining everything, come and look which directions he is drawing the lines in. Okay? So the first line, Om Reketvam Prithvi Rupa Pita Varnasi. That's Om Reketvam Go Rupa Lohita Varnasi. So the second line is longest, it's longer than all the other lines. And it's going it's going the other way. All other lines are facing east. This line is going towards the north. Reketvam Kalindi Rupa Krishna Varnasi. Reketvam Shri Rupa Suvarna Varnasi. Reketvam Saraswati Rupa Shukla Varnasi. Then Utkar Nirasana. Om Nirastha Paravasu. 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 And then Rekhabhyukshana, you're sprinkling water. You can either do it from the Abhyukshana Patra itself or from your
Achman.
Achman cup. And then Agni Samskar. So with the lamp that's lit, you take either a camphor, you light to remove, or you can have cotton to light and remove. The problem with cotton is if your hands are slightly wet, the cotton stays stuck to your hand and it doesn't come off, and the cotton will burn in your hand. So be careful with using cotton.
A little more purification will happen.
Yeah. But the reason, if you're careful, then cotton is quick because it lights very quickly. And it also, when you're putting it on the side, it burns off very quickly, so nobody walks through it or hits it, kicks it. So, but camphor is safe if you have like a bati or something you can put inside.
You can even put cow dung.
Yeah, cow dung paddy, and on that you can put.
Just one thing, if you're using camphor, then and you're doing in somebody's house, make sure you put it on something, because otherwise the tiles will create an impression,
Yeah.
and for the rest of their life, the Yajamana will remember you.
That
There was some yajna happened.
Yes.
Okay, when with this mantra, Om Kavyadam Agnim Prahino Viduram Yamarajam Gachaturi Pravaha.
One more thing, you have to be very careful with the words. It is Rip Pravaha, right? It's Ripu. Ripu becomes plural as Rip Pravaha, which means enemies. Many times people make a common mistake is Vipravaha. Vipra means Brahmins. So you want the enemies of the yajna to go to hell, not the Brahmins of the yajna to go to hell.
Okay, then you purify that Agni with the Prokshana and all that. And after that,
Bro, when you're doing the Kravyada Agni, you don't have to hold the camphor in your hand the entire month until the entire mantra.
Yeah.
So as soon as you light it, you can put it back.
yes, thank you.
Otherwise, I mean, we have
You got hard. Now you got one.
no, we have seen devotees who have
They're sharing their experiences.
Yes,
Do this,
they
do
think it's the
wrong.
austerity. If you cannot do this, you cannot do the yajna. That's your qualification. It's no such thing. Okay, then after that, Agni Sthapana. So when you want to explain where to place it? Yeah, okay. So you know where the Agni goes. It's on the third line, touching the line that is Kalindi Krishna. Yeah. So while placing the Agni, you're chanting, while lighting, and Om Bhurbhuvasvarom. So you can either do this, that you can light and keep, or you can keep the Agni there and then light it. Okay?
Depends how brave you are.
Yes.
Careful with each other.
Each other. So if you're in a place where you have to wait for the Yajman to come or something, they can prepare.
That's what you told him.
Experienced.
So
Very,
we
very
can
harmful.
establish it later, na?
Huh?
We can establish
No,
it.
no, no. It's already established at this time.
Already.
Yes. But you have to be careful with each other at this time.
You cannot get up and do that.
Huh?
Yeah, you can.
You can.
You can.
Safer. na?
Yes.
Fire, you cannot go around also.
Huh?
You cannot go around. Yeah.
See, the thing is, just break it in half.
All the other eyes.
On your foot.
You should give them the call and win the call.
No.
Somebody can do it. We are all done Achmans, no? So around can help also. Okay.
Okay, so now you're actually ready to start the yajna.
Now everyone starts recitation.
Huh? Yes. Good. So We should do Swastika with everybody.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Prabhu, we don't have that, just like wanted to inquire, like in Shanti Panchakam, can we or it's not needed?
No. Shanti Panchakam is not required for yajna.
Okay, so when it can be
Parayana.
means
Parayana
You
means
just
when you are chanting
you will take the
for
akshata
the
around,
Hindi,
take a
like
little bit in your
Hindi.
hand. Like this much is enough, more isn't necessary. Okay?
When
And-
you have 3 or more Brahmins, then you can chant the entire Swasti Vachana, Punanduma Devajanaha, like that. If you are less than 3 Brahmins, then it just goes straight to Swastino Govindaha, Swastino Achyutananto. Because the entire Swasti Vachan should not be done unless and until you have 3 Brahmins.
3 and more.
3 and more. Why? Huh? It has its, how to say, Ridhyatam. So you're offering 3 benedictions. So you need 3 Brahmins at least to stay. I'm saying you need 3 Brahmins to recite, minimum 3 Brahmins to recite the entire Swasti Vachan. If you don't have that, then you just chant Swastino Govindaha, Swastino Achyutananto. For reciting the entire Swasti Vachan, there should be at least 3 Brahmins present.
And also, Prabhu, if you have taken akshata in your hand, don't put it back in the patra. It becomes shesha. Means you shouldn't put it back.
This Shesha means left over.
Yes.
You know, like we eat and then we cannot finish. So it's there in the plate is left over. So you cannot give it to somebody else. Right? So that's Shesha. That's one thing. Another, also do not give akshata hand to hand. Okay, I take it, Prabhu, 1, 2, 3. No, I give out my good karmas by handing out akshata. Therefore, if you see the Madhvas, the Sri Vaishnavas, when they do puja, then they give this mantra akshata. Right? The mantra akshata you receive, you take it, because he has done the puja. You go, he gives you the mantra akshata, you take it, put it on your head, take it in your house, because then you are taking the blessings. So, unless you are blessing, do not give it to somebody in the hands. They themselves should take it. Sankalpa.
West side we have Vaitaranya. Vaitarani rivers, right? This is Gantare Grame. We chant
What gram?
Gantare.
Galtari.
Dandakaranya.
Oh, this is Dandakaranya?
Yeah.
It's considered
Yes.
Dandakaranya?
This part.
So, look, Prabhu, why don't you chant the Sankalpa? So we know what is the...
This is third.
No, let's hear you.
After Swasti
After
Vachan, the
Swasti
Sankalpa
Vachan,
comes,
yes.
Prabhu, you just do it.
So let's do Swasti Vachan. Harihi Om
Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhavatu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu ma Vidvishavahai Om Shanti 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 Om Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Om Punanto Maheva Jana Punanto Manasadiya Punanto Vishwa Bhutani Jata Veda Punima Om Asya Sarvana Punyam Bhavanto Bhruvantu Om Punyam Om Punyam Om Punyam
Just 1 minute, sorry. When we are offering akshata, it's in the front and top, not back. and down. It's there. Okay? Or if you're blessing someone, then on the person. That's one thing.
Once again, this the Asya Karmana Punyana, that's only
Yes,
done by
yes.
one.
The Asya Karmana, that particular that one line, Asya Karmana Punyaham Bhavanto Pravanto, that's chanted only by the leading mantra chanter. Everybody else, they don't say that particular line. Or the next one, when it was Asya Karmana Swasti Bhavanto Bravanto Yushmate Swasti, then Om Swasti, that everybody will chant. Again, then Asya Karmana Riddhim Bhavantu Bravantu, that was also only by the lead mantra chanter. Everybody else, then we continue with Om Riddhyatam, Om Riddhyatam, Om Riddhyatam. Yeah?
Yes. Om Udgate Vashakune Samarayasi Brahmaputrari Vasavaneshu Samsashi Vrisheva Bhagi Sishomati Ravidya Sarvato Nashakune Bhadramavara Vishvato Nashakune Punyamavara Om Asya Karmana Swasti Bhavanto Bruvanto Ayushmate Swasti
All together.
Om Swasti, Om Swasti, Om Swasti, Om Swasti Indro Vriddhashavaha, Swasti Pusha Vishwareyaha, Swasti Nasaksho Arishtarehi, Swasti No Brihaspati Dadatu. Om Asya Karmana Riddhim Bhavanto Bruvanto Om Riddhyatam, Om Riddhyatam, Om Riddhyatam Om Riddhyamastoma Sakaya Baba Jamano Mantram Sadeho Payatam Yashona Pakvam Manugo Shvandara Bhutamsho Ashvinav Kamapraha Om Swasti No Govindam Swasti No Achyutantam Swasti No Vasudevo Vishnurdaratu Swasti No Narayano Naravai Swasti Na Padmanabha Purushottamo Naratu Swasti No Vishwakseno Vishveshwaraha Swasti No Rishinesho Haritatu Swasti No Vainadeyo Hari Swasti No Anjana Suto Hanurvagavato Naratu Swasti Swasti Sumangalikesho Aham Shri Krishna Satchidananda Ganam Sarveshwareshwaro Dadatu Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
One stretch we have to put.
Yes.
Yeah.
Not three times.
At Dadatu you do everything you have. Yes.
Yeah, and also it's not just that.
Yes.
It's actually in your hand, it's that. So you're sprinkling all over the place. Or you can even do that. Because the idea is to sprinkle and reach as far
Only the
as.
last time.
Last
Yeah,
time,
yeah.
You are saying in one time the whole thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's not that, yeah? It's not that.
Yes.
It's from here, there. So kind of, or there.
For this word, Dadat.
The final mantra, whatever akshata you have in your hand, just sprinkle it as much or as much around you can.
Shanti Shanti, at that time you had no time.
No.
If you are a single Brahmana,
Huh?
Single Brahmana Swasti No Govinda you do.
Yes.
and all
All everything in one go.
ओम गोविंद 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 ओम तत्सद्य ब्रह्मणो द्वितीय परादे श्री श्वेतवराह कल्पे वैवस्वताख्य मन्वन्तरे अष्टविंशति कलियुगस्य प्रथम संध्यायां ब्रह्मणो विंशतो वर्तमानायाम् अष्टत्रिंशदयुत्तर पंचशतगौराभि दक्षिणायने शरदऋतो पद्मनाभमासे कृष्णपक्षे कन्यराशि स्थिते भास्करे नवमी स्थितो गुरुवारान्वितान् पुनर्वसु नक्षत्र संयुतायां भूमण्डले जम्बूद्वीपे भारतवर्षे भारतखण्डे मेदिभूतस्य सुमेरो दक्षिणे लवणार्णवस्योत्तरे कोणे दण्डकारण्य क्षेत्रे वैतरण्यां पश्चिमभागे गाल्तारे ग्रामे श्री विग्रह ब्राह्मण वैष्णव वाग्निसन्निधौ श्री श्री राधा वृंदावन बिहारी प्रीत्यर्थम अस्मिन् शुभ दिवसी नित्य होमं वयं करिष्यामहे।
ओम तद्विष्णो परमं पदग्रं सदा पश्यन्ति सूरयः दिवीव चक्षुराततं तद्विप्रासो विपन्यवो जागृवागं सस्समिन्दते विष्णो यत्परमं पदम्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। So for the sankalpa, the Udgata should take some akshata in his hand, chant the whole sankalpa, and at the end when he's done, Vayam karishyamahe, he should again sprinkle it up, like that, just like in the end of Swasti Vachana. At the end of sankalpa, Vayam karishyamahe. Okay?
But when there are less than one and two, that is aham.
If it's, yeah, Vayam is for many. Yeah. Aham is alone. Aham, yeah. Now, Mishai,
Yes.
the perspective that if you're doing the yajna alone, should you say aham karishe or should you just
Aham karishyami or
karishyami.
aham karishye.
Yeah, aham karishe.
नाम गोत्र बोलते हैं ना
हाँ, नाम गोत्र, see, नाम गोत्र you can add it towards the end in the sankalpa. So Shri Shri Radha, before going to that section, so we can say what's your name, what's your gotra, then whatever is the purpose. So here we are saying Shri Shri Radha Vrindavan Bihari Preeti Artham Asmin Shubha Divase Payam Karishyame or Aham Karishye.
Yes. Is that, did everybody understand? Because that's an important question. Everybody will ask. I mean, you can keep on asking, but you know.
This is the vital point that everyone telling their name, their feel person.
Yeah, yeah.
And Gotra.
The name and gotra. So then after Shri Vigraha Brahmana Vaishnava Vanthi Sannidhau, then you can do the name and gotra.
It is Shri Vigraha, is the Lord. Brahmana, all of us. Vaishnavas also. Vahni is Agni. In the presence of the Lord, Vaishnavas, the Brahmins, Agni, we are doing this particular ceremony on behalf of such and such person coming under such and such gotra for such and such purpose.
We have to chant like that. Achyuta Gotrasya, Sivananda Shamadasa, Namadeyasya. If ladies are there, Nam Yaha.
Yes.
Like that.
Gotra for that. Yes, for that person. And at the end, then what yajna you do? Yeah, for the yajna. Yeah, yeah.
So once fire is lit, you have to keep
Yeah, you should.
Sorry?
So it stays up. The fire is lit. It should stay up. It should not turn off.
Oh, we'll do it every day, don't worry.
Yes.
You'll get your daily sankalpa.
Yes. Okay, let's start. Atha Agni Avahana. Om Vaishnavanamadneha Gacha Agni Tvam Vaishnavanamasi Shri Vishnu Teja Evayam Om Krishnananda Mukunda Madhava Hare Govinda Vamshi Mukha Shri Gopi Jana Vallabha Brajasurin Bhakta Priyanjyotuna Bhakta Prema Shakriya Padasanandaika Dinatire Radha Kanta Duranta Samkriti Hare Shankha तत्परमं पदम् ॐ कृष्णो वै सच्चिदानन्दघनः कृष्णः हरिपुरुषः कृष्णः पुरुषोत्तमः कृष्णो बाहु कर्मादिमूलम् कृष्णः सह सर्वैकार्यः कृष्णः दाशं क्रीडाधीशं प्रभुपूज्यः कृष्णो नादिस्तस्मिन् अजान्तान्तर्भाग्ये यं मङ्गलं तल्लभते कृते ॐ अग्निं दूतं पुरोदरे अव्यवाहमुपब्रुवे देवागं मासादयादिह इहैवायमितरो जातवेदा देवेभ्यो अव्यं वाहतु प्रजानन् ॐ विष्णुर्विचक्रमे वेदादिदते पदं समूढमस्य भागं सुरे
अथ भूमि जप
ॐ इदं भूमेर्मजामहे इदं वज्रं तु मङ्गलं परासपत्नान् बाधस्व अन्येषां विन्दते धनम् ॐ एको देवः प्रतिशोऽनु सर्वः पूर्वो जातस्य गर्भे अन्तः स एव जातस्य जानिष्यमानः प्रत्यञ्जनात् तिष्ठति सर्वतो मुखः
अथ तृणादि शोधन
Hare Krishna, who Prabhuji will go around, he can take his space.
yes
ॐ इमं सोमं हरवाते जातवेदसे रथमिव सम्मानेम मनीषया भद्राहिणः प्रमातिरस्य संसज्जग्ने सर्गे मारीषावयं तव ॐ मेध्वं परवाना परवना वयं जीवात मे प्रधरां साधयाधियोग्ने सख्ये मारीषावयं तव ॐ शके मत्वा समिधं साधयाधियस्ते देवा हरिरादन्त्याहुतं त्वमादित्यानामाटान्युष्मस्यग्ने सख्ये मारीषामावयं तव
अथ स्वस्तिक निवेदन
ॐ एतन्महाप्रसादनैवेद्यादि ॐ पूर्वस्यां श्रीनारदाय स्वाहा ॐ अग्नेयां श्रीकपिलदेवाय स्वाहा ॐ यामे श्रीयमहाभक्ताय स्वाहा ॐ नैऋत्यां श्रीभीष्मदेवाय स्वाहा ॐ प्रतीच्यां श्रीशुकदेवाय स्वाहा ॐ वायव्यां श्रीगणकाय स्वाहा ॐ उदित्यां श्रीसदाशिवाय स्वाहा ॐ ऐशान्यां श्रीप्रह्लादाय स्वाहा ॐ ऊर्ध्वं श्रीब्रह्मणे स्वाहा ॐ नः श्रीपतिराजाय स्वाहा
अथ विंशति काष्टिक होम yes अथ आज्य संस्कार
ॐ पवित्रे स्तो वैष्णव्यो ॐ विष्णोर्मनसा भूते स्तः ॐ देवो वत्सवितोत्पुरात्वच्छिद्रेण पवित्रेण स्वसो सूर्यस्य रश्मिभिः स्वाहा ॐ घृतवती भुवनानामविश्रियोर्वि पृथ्वी मातुगे सुतेजसा या वा पृथिवीवरो
Tilakanjali Shekha. Om Anantanumanyasva. Om Achyutanumanyasva. Om Saraswatenumanyasva. Om Prabho Niruddham Prasuvayajñam Prasuvayajñapatim Magaya. Pata Sarvabhutastakye Tapukketam Napunatu. Vagisho Vacham Nasvadatu. Atha Virupaksha Japa. Om Bhurvasvarom Mahantam Virupaksham Tvamatmana Prapatye Bhagavata Virupaksho Siddhantanjihi Tasya Deshayya Parne Vihamantarikshe Vimitam Hiranmayam Taddevanam Hridayani Ayasmai Kumbhentas Sannihitani Dani Paradiksha Valasaksharam Shado Pramaniya Nimishadaha Tatsakyam Yadvedvanashabuddhaha Vedva Samvatsare Kama Prenayagena Yajitva Punar Brahmacharya Vayangi Kam Devesho Brahmanosi Aham Manusyesho Brahmano Vai Brahmano Vadavati Vatvana Mami Jabantam Mama Pratijabihi Jugvantam Mama Pratihausihi Kurvantam Mama Pratikarshi Tvam Prapadye Tvaya Prasutairam Karma Karishyami Tanme Rajatam Tanme Samridyatam Tanme Upapadyatam Samudro Ma Vishwabhyataha Brahmanujanatu Suto Ma Vishwavedaha Brahmanaputronujānātu Svatro Ma Prachetaha Maitravarnonujānātu Tasmai Virupākshāya Nantanjaye Samudraya Vishwabhyatase Sudhaya Vishwavedase Svatraya Prachetase Sahasrakshaya Brahmanaputraya Paramahagavatottamaaya Namaha Om Tapasya Tejasya Saddhāsya Rīsya Satyam Ca Krodasya Yagasya Didhiksa Dharmasya Sattvam Ca Vāksya Manastātmā Ca Brahma Ca Tāni Pravadye Tāni Mā Bhavantu Om Shanti 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 Atha Mantrika Homa Atha Vyasta Samasta.
Let's just do Purusha Shri Gig.
Yeah, okay.
We don't have that much time. So what we are going to do is, we are going to chant Purusha Sukta and Shri Sukta, but according to Samaveda, which we are not been teaching over here. The reason we are doing it, so you can get a full experience of the Yajna within the time frame.
Yeah, because we're getting late actually.
If we do Purusha and Shri Sukta now, we will go, the Yajna will go all the way up to 12:30, 12:45, like that.
Yeah.
So,
Samaved, Purusha Sukta from Samaved is different from this
yes,
Purusha Sukta Homa?
yes.
Yeah.
Each Veda is different.
The mantras are same, the chanting is
Purusha Sukta?
No, there's some changes in the mantras also.
Oh.
Okay.
Mantra is different, Swara is different, you will see.
Yeah. There's some similarities. Atha Vyasta Samasta Mahavyariti Homa. Om Bhur Swaha Idam Vishnavedam Namah. Om Bhur Swaha Idam Chitaya Idam Namah. Om Swaswaha Idam Narayana Idam Namah. Om Bhur Swaswaha Idam Namah Idam Namah.
Stand up, please.
Krishna. Thank you.
For 1 month. They have an online and offline course, and this is the key from my so you can introduce Krishna.
Yeah. Vedanta Prabhu and Mahatkata Narasimha Prabhu as our mantra teachers. This is Gopiraj Gopinath Prabhu as our practical Yajna teacher.
From our side, Shivananda Shyam Prabhu is coordinating. Gaurang Priya also.
Chidanand Prabhu also here. Chidanand.
Today is the first time when we are actually doing the yagya. So today we did the philosophy course, we did the mantra classes going on. And today we are first time showing them how to do yagya. From today evening, the whole class will be divided into 4 groups and they will do yagyas in 4 different kundas.
First time in JV, they agreed to come and they are teaching us.
Any message? Blessings.
You can all come here next to Maharaj.
No.
Oh.
You Maharaj will come. You can तो यहाँ से लो यज्ञ के साथ उधर से लो आप लोग आप जब ले लो
कंटिन्यू वीडियो कंटिन्यू अरे
सब लोग आओ भाई
सब लोग आएंगे नहीं उसमें चल जा
उधर है थोड़ा अंदर हाँ सर पूरा अंदर ही आ गया
उधर ही को अंदर ही
अंदर ही ले लो बराबर अरे
चल दोनों किचन वाले कैसे इधर हरी भरी तीन कौन
long-term dream. Pitambar bro. Pitambar bro. Pitambar bro. Oh, today's birthday. Birthday. Haribo. Lego picture ले लो. कुछ देने के लिए तो लाओ उसमें. कोई फ्लावर लेके आओ ना. प्रसाद दो भाई प्रसाद दो
Flowers of Akshata.
Are you people courting happy with the
Very happy that they We're so grateful. We give so much time to them. Each one got personal attention.
dear to you. Haribo. Pitambar Prabhu is off. बाकी लोग अंदर ले लो. बाकी लोग अंदर ले लो.
हाँ ठीक है हाँ
शिवानंदा.
यस प्लीज कम प्रभु जी
If your Gurudev comes, doesn't matter if you're doing puja, you're doing yagya, just stop it immediately. You stand up and you greet. If Atithi comes, unannounced guest, they come, You stop it, immediately come. Whoever that Atithi may be, a sannyasi, brahmachari, grihastha, doesn't matter. If Agni is present and you think, I'm going to do my puja or my yajna before, then I will attend to the Atithi, Agni Dev does not accept any of the offerings. If you immediately stop what you are doing and go and treat and take care of the Atithi, then you take care, okay, have a seat, we are doing a yajna, then with his permission, you can come and start the yajna. Agni becomes very, very happy. And he gives blessings. If not, then he curses. So, it was very auspicious that we just about to start the yajna. And Maharaj comes, gives the blessing. This is considered very auspicious. And it was very nice. Everybody should stop. Like also the pastime of Lord Balaram. He comes and Lo Maharshana Sutta, he thinks I'm sitting on the Vyasasana, I don't need to stand up. And then Lord Balaram comes with the Kushagras, took his life away. He did not understand that God is here in front. So God appears, Guru appears, Atithi appears. You stop everything, you do.
So what about, but we are doing every day Nitya Homa and there is a particular time. In that time we have to finish that.
Yes.
So we start actually 5:45 am and after that the taking darshan of Madan Moji, then after that they comes.
Right.
So what time they one by one they comes, not at a time all.
No, this
What
is in relation to Atithi. Atithi is there.
Okay.
These are what you are getting are visitors.
Okay.
They're just going to see and walk away.
No. The guests are there.
Yeah.
They comes to the Mangala darshan.
Yeah.
And then come after that they come to.
That's what I'm saying. They are your visitors.
Yeah.
They are going to come every day.
They.
This is specific. An Atithi comes to meet you.
Your house.
In your house, is coming to see you,
Okay.
is going to talk to you. That's why you stop that and you attend to the
Here
Atithi
is
first.
no-
No. They're just saying, oh, something interesting happening. They will see, some will pay obeisances, some will sit for some time, and then they will continue to go wherever.
Some take selfie and
Yeah, some will take selfie and go. In that case, you can always have one person. If need to interact or do something, that one person, he can do that. You can continue with your yajna. If you are alone, then you have to take care of them. Yes.
Matter or does it matter for devotee or non-devotee?
It doesn't matter. Atithi is Atithi. Devotee, non-devotee does not matter. Okay, so let's do maybe just Purusha Suktarik. She is just one shloka anyway. Okay.
अतः पुरुष सुप्त होम हरिः ओम् इदं विष्णुर्विचक्रमे श्रेयादितरे पदं समो नमस्य पागं सुरे स्वाहा इदं कृष्णाय इदं नमः ॐ वृक्षस्य विष्णोर्वस्य रोमः प्रणवोचं विदधात् वैश्वानराय मदेन व्यासेषु ते सोम इव भवते चारुरग्नये स्वाहा इदं कृष्णाय इदं नमः ॐ प्रकव्या उषदेव ब्रवाणो देवो देवानां जनीवा विभक्ति महिमतः श्रुतिमण्डपावकः परावराहो अभ्ये देवन् स्वाहा इदं कृष्णाय इदं नमः ॐ सहस्राशीर्षा पुरुषः सहस्राक्षः सहस्रपाद समोमिं विश्वतो वृत्वाग्रातिष्ठद्दशाङ्गुलम् स्वाहा इदं कृष्णाय इदं नमः ॐ त्रिपादभूतभुजै पुरुषः पादो स्नेहाभावात् पुनः ततो विश्वं व्यक्रामत्साशनाशनेहि स्वाहा इदं कृष्णाय इदं नमः ॐ पुरुष एवेदं सर्वं यद्भूतं यश्च भव्यम् उदामृतत्वस्येषा नो यरण्येरोहति स्वाहा इदं कृष्णाय इदं नमः ॐ एतावानस्य महिमातो जायामंश्च पुरुषः
तस्यामृतं स्वाहा इदं कृष्णाय इदं नमः ॐ ततो विराजायता विराजो अरिपुरुषः स जातो अत्यारिच्यत पश्चाद्वो विमतो पुनः स्वाहा इदं कृष्णाय इदं नमः ॐ कयानश्चित्रावो वदोति सदा व्रीडः सखा कया सचिष्टया वृता स्वाहा इदं कृष्णाय इदं नमः ॐ भूर्स्वाहा इदं विष्णवेदं नमः ॐ भवः स्वाहा इदमच्युताय इदं नमः ॐ स्वस्वाहा इदं नारायणाय इदं नमः ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वस्वाहा इदमनन्ताय इदं नमः.
See, the Purusha Sukta we are learning is 18 shlokas. Sri Samaveda Purusha Sukta, I think it's 9 shlokas. Okay, so they are quite different. And these ones are called Rik. Rik means the actual verses. The Sama Veda of chanting this is different. Like I was explaining the other day, it says the first shloka of Purusha Sukta in Samaveda is Idam Vishnur Vichakrame. But when you chant it in Samaveda style, it goes as Idame. That's Idam. You understand? So this is 9 shlokas. Now, Shri Sukta, what we will be doing in Shukla Yajurveda is 16 shlokas. Samaveda is 1. Okay. Shri Sukta. Oh, we do.
Yes.
So we did Purusha Sukta, Vyasta Samasta Mahavyahariti Homa, then Amantrika Homa. Always. You add one stick or a gute or whatever, you add one. And then we'll do Shri Sukta.
Okay. Atha Shri Sukta Homa.
ॐ यद्यावा इन्द्रके शतं शतं भूमे ऋतस्योः नत्वा वज्रिं सहस्रां सूया अनुनजातमस्तरोदासि स्वाहा इदं राधिकाय इदं नमः ॐ भूर्स्वाहा इदं विष्णवे इदं नमः ॐ भवः स्वाहा इदमच्युताय इदं नमः ॐ स्वस्वाहा इदं नारायणाय इदं नमः ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वस्वाहा इदमनन्ताय इदं नमः.
Okay, so that's our Homa. Done. Purusha Sukta, Shri Sukta, Homa, done. Before Maharaj came, what we did was the Kushakandika. Homa. Now we are getting to the third aspect, Udicya Karma.
Yes. Atha Udicya Karma, Atha Shatyayana Homa.
Yeah, that's right. Page number 61.
ॐ गोविन्द 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 ॐ तत्सत् अद्य पद्मनाभमासे कृष्णपक्षे नवमितिथौ नित्यहोमं कर्मणि यत्किञ्चित् वैगुणं जातं तद्दोषप्रशमानाय श्रीकृष्णस्मरणपूर्वकं शाक्यायन होमं वयं करिष्यामहे. अथ अग्नि आवाहन. ॐ विदुनामाग्निः गच्छ अग्नित्वं विदुनामासि श्रीविष्णोस्ते जनेवायम्. ॐ कृष्णो वै सच्चिदानन्दघनः कृष्णादिपुरुषः कृष्णः पुरुषोत्तमः कृष्णो कर्मादिमूलम् कृष्णः सह सर्वैकार्यः कृष्णाकाशं क्रीडाधीशं प्रभुपूज्यः कृष्णो नादिस्तस्मिन्नदान्तान्तर्बाह्ये यं मङ्गलं तल्लभते कृते. ॐ तद्विष्णो परमं पदज्ञं सदा पश्यन्ति सूरयः दिवेव चक्षुराततं तद्विप्रासो विपन्यवो चाग्रिवागं तत्सविन्दते विष्णो यत्परमं पदम्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
So Vishnu Stuti here is shorter than Kushakandika.
Prabhuji added Tadvishnu because they have to do Arati and all. It takes time.
Yeah, sometimes it takes more time. We're chanting faster than we normally do because we're getting late. Otherwise, you're chanting slow, then you can do everything. If the Hotri is late or is behind, he's still doing the Arati and you finish the mantra, you do Tadvishnu to fill in the space.
Or any other mantra.
Yes.
The reason is when you're doing some action and there is sound, then the mind is focused. If there is just sound, no action, there is a possibility of the mind getting distracted. If there is action and no sound, for sure it will be distracted. So to keep everybody's mind engaged, you can chant whatever mantra is required to fill up that gap. So Tadvishnu Paramam Padam is a simple mantra. Everybody knows it. Short mantra you can use. But if you want to add some another mantra, which is also okay. It's not an issue.
Will do full Prashita?
Yes.
We did Vyasta Samasta.
No, we didn't.
Atha Vyasta Samasta Mahavyariti Homa. Om Bhur Swaha Idam Vishnavedam Namah. Om Bhuva Swaha Idam Achyutaya Idam Namah. Om Swaswaha Idam Narayanaya Idam Namah. Om Bhur Bhuva Swaswaha Idam Anantaya Idam Namah. Atha Prashchitta Homa. Om Pahinochyutena Se Swaha Idam Vishnavedam Namah. Om Pahino Vishwaveda Se Swaha Idam Vishnavedam Namah. Om Yajnam Pahi Hare Vibho Swaha Idam Vishnavedam Namah. Om Sarvam Pahi Shriyapate Swaha Idam Vishnavedam Namah. Om Pahino Nanda Ekaya Pahyuta Dvitiyaya Pahyurjam Dvitiyaya Pahigir Vishchatasrivir Vishno Swaha Idam Vishnavedam Namah. Om Punarurjani Vartasva Punar Vishno Rishayusha Punarnam Pahyagam Asaha Swaha Idam Vishnavedam Namah. Om Saharayani Martasva Vishno Pinvasvadharaya Vishwapsnya Vishwataspari Swaha Idam Vishnavedam Namah. Om Ajnatai Yadanagyatai Yagyasya Viyate Mitu Vishnotarasya Kalpayatvakkam Hivetaya Tadatam Swaha Idam Vishnavedam Namah. Om Prajapate Vishno Natvareta Nyanyo Vishvajnani Paritava Bhuva Yakkamaste Juvamastanno Asuvayakam Syamapatayorayinam Swaha Idam Vishnavedam Namah. Om Bhur Swaha Idam Vishnavedam Namah. Om Bhuva Swaha Idam Achyutaya Idam Namah. Om Swaswaha Idam Narayanaya Idam Namah. Om Bhurva Swaswaha Idam Anantaya Idam Namah. Atha Vaishnava Homa. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Swaha Idam Gurave Namah. Om Shri Chaitanya Mahovishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Karamayyam Dadati Swaparantikam. Swaha Idam Rasacharya Idam Namah. Om Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Taparakam Shri Guru Vaishnavamsya Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagana Raghunathankitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Parijana Saitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sagana Lalita Shri Vishakhanvitamsha. Swaha Idam Guru Gauranga Radha Krishna Sarva Vaishnava Tattvebhyam Dinam Namah. Om Hre Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deelabandho Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namaste. Swaha Idam
नमः ॐ वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः स्वाहा इदं सर्ववैष्णवेभ्यो नमः ॐ जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृन्द स्वाहा इदं पञ्चतत्त्वाय इदं नमः ॐ हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे स्वाहा 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 इदं राधा कृष्णाभ्यां नमः ॐ स्वाहा इदं विष्णवे नमः ॐ स्वाहा इदं अच्युताय नमः ॐ स्वाहा इदं नारायणाय नमः ॐ स्वाहा इदं नारायणाय नमः
अथ अग्निपर्युक्षण
ॐ प्रभो निरुद्ध प्रसोवयज्ञं प्रसोवयज्ञपातिं भगाय पाता सर्वभूतस्तर्के तपोकेतं नः पुरातो भागीशो वाचं न स्मरतु
अथ उदकाञ्जलिषेक
ॐ अनन्तान्ममं स्वाहा ॐ अच्युतान्ममं स्वाहा ॐ सरस्वतीन्ममं स्वाहा
अथ दर्भच्युतिका होम
ॐ अप्तं रिहानाव्यन्तु वयः ॐ अप्तं रिहानाव्यन्तु वयः ॐ अप्तं रिहानाव्यन्तु वयः ॐ भो वैष्णवानामधिपते विष्णो रुद्रस्तन्ति च रोमृषा वशो नस्माकं माहिकं सिरेतरस्रोतं तव स्वाहा
अथ पूर्णाहुति एवरीबॉडी प्लीज स्टैंड अप
ॐ पूर्णहोमं यशसे विष्णवे जुहोमि योऽस्मै विष्णवे जुहोति समरमस्मै ददाति विष्णोर्वरं वृणे यशसा आविलोके ॐ नमो ब्राह्मण्यदेवाय गोब्राह्मणहिताय च जगद्पिताय कृष्णाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः स्वाहा इदं कृष्णाय इदं नमः ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
अथ वामदेव्य गानम
ॐ भूर्भुवस्व कया नश्चित्रा भुवज्योति सरावेणः सखा कया सचिष्टया मृता ॐ भूर्भुवस्व कस्वा सत्यो मरा नामकं इष्टो मत्सरन्दासः विराचीनारुजे वसु ॐ भूर्भुवस्व अगीषुनः सखी रामावृता चारित्रेणां शतं भावास्युतये ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ द्याहुः शान्तिरन्तरिक्षं शान्ति पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्ति वायुः शान्ति तेजः शान्ति औषधयः शान्ति लोकाः शान्ति ब्राह्मणः शान्ति वैष्णवः शान्ति शान्तिरस्तु तृतीयस्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ स्वस्ति नो गोविन्दः स्वस्ति नो अच्युतानन्दो स्वस्ति नो वासुदेवो विष्णुर्दधातु स्वस्ति नो नारायणो नरो वै स्वस्ति
स्वस्ति नः पद्मनाभः पुरुषोत्तमो ददातु स्वस्ति नो विश्वक्सेनो विश्वेश्वरः स्वस्ति नो ऋषिकेशो हरिर्ददातु स्वस्ति नो वैनातेयो हरिः स्वस्ति नो अञ्जनासुतो हनुर्भागवतो ददातु स्वस्ति स्वस्ति सुमङ्गलैकेशो महान् श्रीकृष्ण सच्चिदानन्द घनः सर्वेश्वरेश्वरो ददातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ अङ्गहीनं क्रियाहीनं विधिहीनं च यद्भवेत् अस्तु तत्सर्वमच्चित्रं कृष्णप्रसादतः यत्किञ्चित् वैगुणं जातं तद्दोषप्रशमानाय श्रीकृष्णस्मरणं करोमि ॐ हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
Please lead Kirtan, somebody. Anybody?
Krishna, Krishna Krishna.
3 parikramas, you cannot do 4 also.
Rama Rama Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram
दक्षिणा देव ब्राह्मण को
देता हूँ
Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna
की जय समेत भक्त वृंद की जय
जय।
गौर प्रेमानंदे
हरि हरि बोल
हरे कृष्णा कैन वाइंड अप दिस छठाई उनको हेल्प कर सकते हैं
First we'll do Visarjan.
नहीं अभी नहीं आपका करना चाहिए बाद में
Prabhu's
ये विसर्जन मंत्र प्रभु गोइंग चैंट
we'll do Visarjan. Okay. ॐ यान्तु देवगणाः सर्वे पूजामादाय याज्ञिकाः इष्टकामप्रसिद्ध्यर्थं पुनरागमनाय च ॐ क्षम्यताम् ॐ अग्ने त्वं समुद्रं गच्छ ॐ पृथिवी त्वं शीतला भव ॐ क्षम्यताम् ॐ हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे हरे